Web penetration testing, or pen testing, is like a simulated cyber attack on a web application. Ethical hackers test the app to find security weaknesses before real attackers can exploit them. This helps protect sensitive information, maintain user trust, and stop breaches before they happen. The testing process follows a structured workflow: planning and preparation, define the scope, goals, and rules. Get permission from the app owners to avoid legal issues, reconnaissance, collect info about the app and its environment, both passively, like searching public data, and actively, scanning servers, scanning and enumeration, use automated tools to find open ports, outdated software, and vulnerable parts of the app. Also, gather details on files, directories, and user accounts. Exploitation. Try to exploit vulnerabilities such as SQL injections or cross-site scripting, XSS, to see what damage could be done. Post-exploitation. Assess the impact of a successful attack and check if persistent access can be maintained. Reporting. Document all findings with evidence, risk ratings, and fix recommendations. Provide a clear summary for technical teams and executives. Remediation and follow-up. Help fix issues and retest to confirm fixes work. Use lessons learned to improve security. Sometimes, sensitive files or directories aren't linked on the website but still accessible. These can be backups, configs, or admin pages. Techniques include directory brute forcing using tools like DIRbuster, spidering to crawl for unlinked content, looking for predictable names like backup or admin, checking permissions and URL parameter fuzzing. It's vital to check if personal data like passwords or credit cards leak anywhere. Inspect data in forms, cookies, and API responses. Look at error messages and logs for accidental leaks. Ensure HTTPS is used and passwords are hashed properly. Test API endpoints for overexposure of personal data. Verify session management to prevent info leaks in tokens or URLs. APIs are prime targets for attackers, so testing includes strong authentication like OAuth or JWT, validating and sanitizing all inputs to prevent injection attacks, rate limiting to prevent abuse and DOS attacks. Hiding sensitive info in error messages and responses, proper session and token handling with expiration and revocation. Authentication protects user accounts. Testing looks for protection against brute force with rate limiting and captured, strong password policies and secure reset mechanisms, multi-factor authentication enforcement, secure session tokens, expiration, and logout. Prevention of session fixation attacks, removal of default or weak credentials, secure password storage using strong hashing algorithms, correct authorization ensuring users can only access what they're allowed to. Practice exercise. What is the primary goal of penetration testing? Cross-site scripting, XSS. Vulnerabilities allow attackers to inject scripts that execute in the victim's browser.